Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson on application of exponents. Let's begin. Sometimes working with large numbers becomes difficult to read and even to understand. For that reason, a large number can be expressed in the standard form, which is a into 10 to the power n. So we can express any number in this form, which is called the standard form, where a is the number between 1 to 10 and multiplied by the power of 10. So a is a number which is greater than equal to 1 but less than 10. So a can be 1 but it cannot be 10. It should be less than 10. And n is an integer. Now, what is the use of writing a number in standard form? Let's say, given the distance here, which one would you prefer to read and write? Obviously, this expression, although both are the same, this is expressed in the standard form, 9 into 10 to the power 15. It is much more easier than this large number, right? So when talking about large numbers or units in case of distance, speed, area, etc., we can use the standard form. Clear? Now let's look at some examples on how we can convert any number in the standard form, that is in the form of a times the power of 10. Now remember, a is greater than equal to 1 and should be less than 10 but not equal to 10. And what is 10 to the power n? Let's say here we have a number 1000. Now we can express this number as 10 times 10 times 10, which means 1000, or in the exponential form 10 to the power 3, right? So this is 10 to the power n, where n is the integer. It is in the power of 10. Clear? Now let's look at an example to understand how we will convert any number into a standard form. So the first number is, or you can say unit, 450 meter. So what is the first criteria? That a should be greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. So here this is 450. It means it is more than 10. So in order to be less than 10, if I change it into decimal number 4.50, then it will be somewhere between 1 and 10, right? So how can we do that without changing the value? Now we can multiply this expression by 100 and divide by 100, right? So the value will remain the same, 100 gets cancelled, so it will remain 450 meter. Now 450 meter by 100 times 100 means 450 by 100. We can change this into a decimal number, and there are two places, right? That's why we divide it by 100. So 4.50 it will become, divided by 100 into 100 meter. So 100 can be expressed in the form of power, that is 10 into 10, that is 10 to the power 2, and 4.50, 0 has no value, we can write it as 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 meter. So we have expressed 450 meter raised to the power 7 kilometer square. This is the answer. Clear? Next, now you should be very comfortable with converting any number into the standard form. So here we have this number. So where should the decimal place go? Here, to make it into a number that is between 1 and 10, right? So we can write it as 7.00153000000. Let's count the number of places after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can simply multiply by 10 raised to the power 10, and we can further simplify by removing the zeros after the decimal. So 7.00153 times 10 raised to the power 10. So the zeros have no value that are to the extreme right of the decimal places, right? So this is the standard form for this number. Clear? Now remember, when converting in standard form, always keep in mind that the original value shouldn't change or shouldn't be affected. It should always remain the same, because if I multiply this exponential number with this number, the result should be the original number. Okay? So I hope you have understood this lesson. Stay safe. Keep smiling. Thank you.